Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically increase engagement on Facebook posts such as reacting, commenting, or combining both actions. This feature helps boost credibility, create a crowd effect, and attract the attention of potential customers, thereby improving marketing effectiveness. Steps to implement. Step 1. Choose the seeding function. Step 2. General configuration. Select account category. Choose the account category that will be used for seeding actions. These can be accounts you have prepared in advance. General settings. Delay between actions. Set the waiting time between two seeding actions, for example 20-30 seconds, to make the activity look more natural and avoid restrictions. Switch account after consecutive errors. If an account encounters errors continuously for a certain number of times, it will automatically switch to another account. This value is usually set to 3. Step 3. Seeding configuration. 1. Choose seeding type. Profile seeding. Seed directly on posts on a specific Facebook profile. Post seeding. Seed directly on a specific post. Video seeding. Seed directly on a specific video. Live stream seeding. Seed directly on a live stream. Reels seeding. Seed directly on a reel. 2. Choose seeding mode. Normal seeding. Interact with a random list of posts. Advanced seeding. Interact with posts based on advanced settings, such as setting the number of comments per post. 3. Configure actions for each account. Posts per account. Select the number of post IDs each account will interact with, for example, 1 ID. Avoid duplicate seeding. Enable this option if you don't want multiple accounts to interact with the same post. Reactions. Choose for accounts to automatically react to posts like, love, care, etc. Comments. Select the number of comments, for example 1 3 times, and enter the desired comment content. React to comments. React to comments if needed. Step 4. Start seeding. Review the account list and all settings. Click Start, and the system will automatically perform the seeding actions according to the configured script. Important notes. Set reasonable time delays around 30-50 seconds to ensure natural behavior and avoid Facebook restrictions. Prepare multiple high-quality accounts to maintain stable seeding performance. Diversify comment content to avoid duplication and increase credibility. If you're looking for a tool like this, feel free to contact me right away. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.